Are you looking for some independent welding classes you want to learn on your time when you get off work or on your schedule when you have the free time? I have something for you. I have independent welding courses. You can actually get the courses, or you can get the classes, or you can get some hourly classes. Depends on what you need. If you buy by the hour, it's $30 an hour. But if you buy by a block, that's an 8-hour block, that's $25 an hour, which is $200 for an 8-hour block. Or you can just buy the course at $600 and you can get 30 hours for $600. So you save on your time and you can be able to break the blocks up. You don't have to do everything in one setting. You can do 3 hours every 5 days a week if you want to. You can do 5 hours 3 days a week if you want to. Whatever you want to do. Most of my clients end up knocking the course out within 30 days, within 2 weeks. So it's all on what you want to do. But within the course, you will either learn TIG welding for 30 hours or MIG welding for 30 hours or flux core welding / stick welding for 30 hours. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit up the website at www.hoggonwelding.com. That's www.hoggonwelding.com. Hog on.